look at this lake at surface level, there's nothing. But there's so much grass underneath. That's why this chatterbait is such a great bait. It comes through the grass so well. It's also deep here. I'm probably sitting in 20 foot of water. Another great bait to try would be a rattle trap. And then, if they're not active, Texas rig is always great in the grass. That's a fish. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish actually. Yes. Get in the net, please. Ha ha. Yes. That's a 2.5 pounder. Oh man, he may be a 3 pounder. That's a nice fish. I'm gonna weigh him. Alright. First fish on the kayak. Chatterbait. It only took 20 minutes. Oh wow. 2.84. So yeah, this is a 3 pound bass. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Did it on the fall. He's not as big as the last one, but he's a nice one. They're liking the chatterbait. There you go, about a 12-inch bass. Fish. Big fish. Big fish. Gosh, he's pulling my kayak. Oh my gosh. He's barely hooked. Come on. We found a pack of them. He's not as big as I thought, but that's a solid, probably a 2.25 pound bass. Here, I'll weigh him. He's big enough, I'll weigh him. Alright, let's see. 2.33. Very nice. Basically what you need for a jerkbait fight, you need really clear water. So, right what we got here, you need a little bit of wind, and some clouds helps. And basically the warmer the water, the harder and more frequently you gotta jerk that thing. So in the winter time, I'll give it a little light jerk, and then I'll pause it and I'll wait 10-15 seconds. And then I'll jerk it again. And then you wait another 10-15 seconds, so you jerk it again. And in the springtime, you give it a pop, 1, 2, 3. Pop, pop, 1, 2, 3. And then right now, in the summer, when it's nice and warm, you jerk it hard. You go pop, 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 pop. And this jerkbait's one of my favorites, this H2O. It's got it casts so much better than any any other jerkbait. You can launch that thing a mile even in this heavy wind. The thing is, most people, they associate this bait with wintertime fishing. Because what you do in the winter, this bait, when you stop it, it just stays. It doesn't float, it doesn't sink, it just stays. So what you do in the winter is you give it a little light twitch like that, and then you wait. Just like that.
You got one.
Net. This is a good one.
Right.
Net, yeah. He's not as big as I thought, but he's a nice one.
Yeah.
I'm getting him in. Sorry. Pound and 3/4. That's what I would get. We figured something out.
There you go.
It was on that pause too that I was just talking about.
Showing me
Yeah.
what you do in the wintertime.
Oh yeah, we figured a little something out. Got one.
You got one? Alright!
On the Livingston!
Oh, yeah, little baby guys.
Yeah. That fish, I don't know if you noticed, he bit the very front hook, which is a really good sign. When you get them just by the back hook, sometimes like you need to adjust your color a little bit or maybe how you're presenting the bait. But when they bite the front hook, oh, you're doing something right. Oh, I got a fish.
Alright, here you go.
Another little one.
Two.
2 of them on the Livingston. He just said a nice one. I don't know what a nice one means to him. Oh, big fish. Get the net. He's not as big as I thought, but he's a good one. I'll get him. Nice.
There you go.
You got the Livingston! Tell you what, I think the wind picked up and the fish started biting. That's a nice one. That's a 1.5 pounds maybe. Beautiful.